Hello, my name is Ostaplexia, and I hope you're having a wonderful day because we're about to ruin the day of many, many others. We're going to play Rain on Your Parade. It's a lovely game where you're a nice little cloud, and I don't know much else. Oh, and that's how you rain. Wait. Oh, they do move. Alright, let's get into it. Grandpa, tell me a story. A story? Have I told you about the cloud I met once? That sounds boring. Oh, trust me, clouds are never boring. A cloud can fly anywhere it wants. It can rain on anything. When you grow up, you will understand the joy of messing up other people's shit stuff. Alright, so what's this cloud do? Let me put my glasses on. Once upon a time, there was a small cloud with a big dream. To find a place of old folk tales where clouds can roam free. And rain on everything they want at any time. So it packed its bags, whatever bags a cloud might have, and set on a world-trotting journey to find the mystical, the fabled, the legendary Seattle. I guess that makes sense. Clouds would love Seattle. A star means the objective is needed to beat this level. That's nice. Soak the bride and groom. Soak all humans. Yes, humans. Alright, so don't need to see the objectives. Looks like I have a limited number of water. Let's just... Oh. So apparently they only care if, Oh. I'm not just running away. Nope. Don't get away. Nope. 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 Come on. Okay. Anything else? Oh, hold on. Wait. So, did I miss someone? Oh, this guy. Yes. There we go. Perfect. Decor unlocked. Ooh, what's this? Oh, hello there, little cloud. Looks like everything's on fire. That about sums up how this whole year is going. Yeah, 2020 is a weird year. Be a dear and put it out, will ya? Oh, by the way, do you like photography? No. There is a mysterious thing called the photo mode I hear about. You should give it a try and share some cool shots with your friends. Joke's on you, I don't have any friends. Put them up on that bird social network. Your friends will like and share. Then their friends will like and share. Will you guys like and share? Maybe give a follow. Thumbs up this video. Subscribe. Hit the bell so you don't miss any content. No? Okay then. Looks like I'm not sharing your photos. Then you get 1 million followers and will win all the internet points. Wait, I can win all the internet points for doing this? Noted. And before you know it, you've become a walking advertiser, a brand ambassador for our game. Yes, that has a better ring to it. Have fun. I don't know if you know who I think I know who I am, but good luck with that. Put out all the fires and soak all the humans. At least we've learned to spell this time. No fire for you. Oh geez. It's a lot of fire. Photo mode. No wait. Let's have more things on fire first. Oh, there we go. Perfect. I'm gonna take one photo. One photo. 2 photos. He's just so happy. And everything's on fire and exploding. Let's just put these guys out. Well, maybe if you stopped running around while on fire, you wouldn't be all burning alive. New decor unlocked. I'm getting hats and everything, and I don't know where to. Oh. Hello there, young Cloud. I am Papa Cloud. Oh, Daddy Cloud. Cloud as old as time. Yes, I was there when memes were invented. I hope you will listen to my words of wisdom. As you progress through the world, you might unlock some fancy hats. How does a cloud wear a hat, you might wonder? Why, simply enter the Cloud House. Try it on now. Oh, try it now. Okay. Decor. Ooh, hats. Oh, I have 1 and 10. I'm gonna wear this. Wait, anything else? Hold on. Nope, go back. Accessories, no. Colors, I'm good as white. Face. Wait, I can change my face? Oh, I draw my face. Hold on. I got this. I'm gonna be so beautiful, but I'm done. Just bring up the thickness a little. There we go. Give him a big old happy face for his happy times. Some eyebrows. Maybe nose. There we go. Beautiful. Perfect. Confirm. I'm the happiest clown you ever did see. I'm gonna name him Mr. Tim. Mr. Tim Norrington. What's this? Protect the help it go boom. What are you applying? From some kind of... Man, you think if these bad guys were actually bad, they would not care about a little bit of water, but I... Go away. You too. Go away. And you. And you. And you. Oh, geez. That's a lot. Nope. That's... You guys are coming out a lot more now. Oh, don't touch my bomb. Don't touch my explosivos. No. 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 Just gonna stay right here. I'll never be able to get past my impenetrable rainfall. Yeah, because a little water keeps the, I don't know if these are bad guys or good guys, but I have the bomb, so, ooh. That's one way to get rid of all of them. All right. This is so stupid. Oh, I love it. Avoid sun. Where'd the sound go? So call the humans. Avoid the sun. What happened to the sound though? Still kind of there. Oh, that's okay. Can't hear any music though. It's well quiet now. Hope I didn't break anything. Son, go. I'm not your dad. Get away from me, son. Oh, perfect. No 10 for you. Don't you guys know you're not supposed to be on the beach? Not because like any implications or anything. It's just like it rained on. I did touch the sun. That's not that big of a deal. This is not what I expected. I was hoping more, cloudy. Sorry, I had a frog in my throat. Cloudy, cloudy, help. Those humans took away all the trees. Grow us a beautiful garden, please. But spare the children. They don't know any better. Ribbit. Grow a beautiful garden. Do not soak any humans. Soak all the lamps. Alright. That shouldn't be too difficult. Let's start with the lamps over here. Ooh, pretty god. And oh, well, there goes your tables. Sure, no one was using those. Oh, I'm out of water. Hold on. Yes. I soaked a person. I guess it doesn't matter then. I already got one person. You're all getting it. And you know what? I came here to do what I want, not what you want. Oh, I'm out of water though. So all... Oh. That works. Oh, hello, Cloudy. I am Buggy the Bug, and I was put here by the developers to remind you that this is not the final build. So if you encounter any bugs, please rest assured they are working hard to fix them by release. That's it. Oh, this game's coming out to Steam on a rainy day in 2021. That's it. That's my whole purpose. You will never see me again. Isn't it unfair how all the other characters have such long dialogues and multiple cameos, but you learn nothing about me? You don't get to know about my love for 13th century Greek architecture or how I bake a really good walnut babka. No, this is the only purpose I serve. This is my life now. It's like the robot from Rick and Morty. What is my purpose? You pass butter. Oh my god. So you know what? I hope you do encounter bugs. Yeah, I hope you encounter all the bugs, and I hate the mean developers. Buggy out. What a nice little... Just gonna water him for a sec. Okay. Burn it all. I don't put water on electrical fires. No? Okay. Oh. I got oil. Hold on. Can I get more oil? No? Okay. That's fine. I don't need more oil. Oh. I thought I could soak the whole place. Apparently not. It's disappearing. Let's start with that. That poor guy. Not done burning at all. There we go. Come on, over here. There we go. Burn. I got a crowbar. I'm good. I'm absolute. Action and chill. Action and chill. What fantastic progress you've made. Sorry. What fantastic... I forgot how I was doing his voice. It doesn't matter. What fantastic progress you made, young cloud. Oh. One day you'll be as big as me. Did you know that some clouds have power of thunder? Is it possible to learn this power, you might ask? Well, yes. You can purchase new powers with Cloudbucks. And you can obtain Cloudbucks by trading in Thunder Coins. And Thunder Coins come in packs of 12 you can purchase for just... just kidding. There are no currencies or microtransactions here. You unlock things simply by playing the game. What a concept. That is a concept. Never heard of it. You mean I can't just auto level to 100? Wait. Thunderlicious. Try it now. Okay. Oh. So. Oh. You had an umbrella. Doesn't seem to kill anyone. It might be good. Rack up as many points as you can within the time limit. Experiment with different ways of earning points. Okay. Okay, if you can burn, you're getting lit. Come on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. Can't escape me like this. Haha. Oh. Come on. Yes. Haha. There will be no escape. Get over here. Seems painful. Wait, can I light you on fire? Nope. Come on. There we go. Oh no. Oh no. I gotta get this guy. Come on. No, no, no. Oh well. Destroy the yellow wheat. Corrode all vehicles. Soak all humans. Scare off the crows. Okay. Just water him. That's enough to scare him off, I guess. So peaceful. So relaxing. It distinctly lacks destruction. Hold on. Goodbye, outhouse. Aww. That's no fun. That's no fun at all. You love what? Clouds. There we go. I fixed it. See if he likes clouds after this. This says grow all the food, but or was it just wheat? Destroy the yellow wheat. Oh, I don't need to be growing this. Why am I growing this then? Where are you, wheat? I'm coming for you. Here we are. Ooh, a crow. Wait, what am I doing with the tractor? Corrode all vehicles. Oh, I can corrode the vehicles? I should probably learn to read more. It's fine. Make some popcorn. Oh, I know how to make popcorn. Like this. Ha! That's how corroding works, right? Explosives. This be taking a while. What does this do? Nothing? Yeah, it's fine. I think that one's corroded. I think I'm just wasting time. Hold on. Where are the rest of you? I think this is what corrodes. Wait, can I go over here? There's another vehicle. Oh, so not that vehicle. Hold on. Stupid crow. Get out of here. We ain't got time for any old nonsense. Vehicle. Wait. Vehicle, yes, right here. I think that's good. Yep. This is about what I expected from acid rain. Has to be another vehicle. That or I'm not corroding them fast enough or far enough. Oh, that seems pretty corroded. Is it like a crow I'm missing somewhere? Or, oh, there's a whole section over here. I see. Well, that explains it. Oh, well, then. Nothing over there. Oh, I gotta soak you. Hold on. Come here. There you go. Ooh, I'm sure he's fine. Absolutely fine. Hey, buddy. You guys don't mind this acid rain, right? Oh. Yeah. Well, he's soaked. Ah, I found one. Oh, there's an exit over there. I don't want the exit. I'm almost done. Why would I give up now? You're already soaked. Hold on. I don't think you guys count as being soaked. Maybe? I guess you do. Just did not like the green sludge, huh? Oh. You have... Oh, I did it. I did it all. I am the best. I am the winner. No one's ever been better than me. Alright. Finn. We've won. It's over. Alright, I think that's enough for stories now. Oh, I want more, Grandpa. Don't worry, more stories will come. You just have to be a little patient and wishlist the full game on Steam. Grandpa, you can't be a shilling for giant corporations during bedtime. Oh, no. Unbound Creation isn't a giant corporation. It's just a few people trying to make a cool game from their bedrooms. It would mean a lot to them if you wishlisted. I'll think about it. Alright then, sweet dreams. Good night. How sweet. How cozy. How lovely. How... in corporate propaganda? Thank you for playing the prologue. If you would like it, blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna skip this. Anyways, that's all the time I clearly have for today. This was actually a really fun experience. The little art style is adorable. It's pretty funny, clearly. This is just the prologue. The game doesn't come out until next year on Steam. But, maybe go check it out. Right now it's free on itch. Which is where I played it from. So, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell button so you don't miss out on any future content and updates. And, or don't. I'm not gonna rain on you. Yet. Goodbye.